equals angle. So if you've got an exterior, you would have 92 minus.
Divided by 2 equals. So would you say we divided by 2?
You would.
X. You would subtract and then divide by 2. It's a lot easier.
Yes, you can just do x.
Let's go. Would you subtract and then divide by 2, or just divide by 2 first?
You would subtract and then divide by 2. It's like this is in parentheses. It's 44.5 degrees.
You said 24.5.
44.5.
Yeah, 25.
Do you want me to? Yeah, I did. 92 minus 43 divided by 2.
49 divided by 2 is
What's 92 minus?
49. Ooh, almost stabbed myself with this. Let's go.
Do it. Do it. That means do it.
Pencil my head off.
That's wrong.
Okay. So let's try doing some basic math so Miss Murphy can get this. All right, 92 minus 43 divided by 2 gives us 24.5. Thank you for catching my little mistakes. Okay. B. We've got 214.
No, we have
No,
12
we
and
don't.
134.
That's the answer. Okay.
You guys, the answer is 214.
So we've got, this is 134. This is angle 1. Down here is 12. So what would the rest of it be? What would this angle be? If this is 12, this is 134. How would you figure out? From what? Yes. And that's how I got 214.
Oh my god.
Okay? But we're not looking for 214. We're looking for what? 1. So 214 minus 134 divided by 2 equals,
40.
I get 40. Okay. If this is 96 right here, what's this other angle out here? Right, and what would it be? 264. And we're trying to find this angle here. So we'd say 264 minus 96 divided by 2 equals 84 degrees.
Oh, you're not figuring that one
I did figure it out. Yeah. So I know this is 96. What, for this one? 40.
out.
Yes, Eric.
4B.
316 minus 134 minus 12 gives us 214. Am I going too fast, guys?
Yeah. No, a little.
A little.
Just a little bit.
Oh, slow down just a little.
Yeah, I was on the one that I did.
All right, let's look at example 4. Yes, ma'am.
For example, I don't understand how.
Do you want me to go back to A for example 2?
Yeah. I thought you said you had to add the arc together and then divide.
You did. 135 plus x divided by 2 equals 100. So I added the arcs, divided by 2. It's equal to the angle. So then I multiply both sides by 2 because I got to solve for x. Multiply both sides by 2, subtract 135, and that gives me this outer arc.
Now, what we talking about the one?
All right. Let's do one more problem from example 4. Which one did you think looks the hardest? And we'll do that one.
E. Yeah, E.
Want to do E? Okay. C was 48.
Do D. They both confused D and E.
What? D.
And D's?
All right, let's start with
D.
E, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. So this is E. We've got that this is 142. This is 93. This is X. And this is Y.
Just point at the dot.
No kidding. Okay. So let's start with this. Which one do you think is easier to figure out? X or Y?
Y.
I think X is easier to figure out. Because I know 93 equals the arcs divided by 2. Added together divided by 2. So I multiply both sides by 2 and I get 186.
42 plus x.
142 plus x divided by 2 equals 93. So I have arc plus arc divided by 2 equals an angle.
So 1.
Oh, okay.
Equals 142 plus x. Subtract 142 and x equals 44.
Where did you go 186?
Multiply both sides by 2. Okay, so x equals 44. Now can I find y?
You have y.
What do I do?
142 plus.
Not plus.
No,
Minus.
Yep. 142 minus 44 divided by 2 equals y. So y equals, because you can plug all that in your calculator, 49. Okay, so let's mention this real quick, just so you remember. If you're looking for an angle inside, you're going to divide by 2. Add the two arcs divided by 2. If you're looking for an angle on the outside of the circle, you subtract the two arcs and divide by 2. Is that kind of an easy way to remember it? All right.